Looking for a dash cam that seamlessly integrates? In this video, we're showcasing the top 5 best dash cams with CarPlay that will enhance your driving experience. From crystal clear 4K resolution to smart navigation and safety features, these dash cams do it all. Stay tuned as we dive into their key features and why they're a must-have for every driver. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest videos. Okay, let's get started. Number 5. Srnubi 10.26-inch Dash Cam. The Srnubi 10.26-inch Dash Cam is a powerful upgrade for any vehicle. With a 4K front camera and a 1080p rear camera, it captures high-resolution footage for maximum clarity. The 10.26-inch IPS touchscreen provides an easy-to-use interface with a modern, sleek design. Plus, the 170 degrees wide-angle lens ensures a broader view of the road. Stay connected effortlessly with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Access maps, calls, and music hands-free while driving. The built-in GPS track playback helps monitor routes and improve navigation. With smart features like G-sensor, motion detection, and voice control, this dash cam enhances safety and convenience. It also supports up to 256 GB external memory, ensuring extended recording time. Number 4. Develuck Car Dash Cam. The Develuck 10 or 11.26-inch dash cam is a game-changer for modern drivers. Featuring a 4K front camera and a 1080p rear camera, it delivers crystal-clear footage for maximum safety. The 11.26-inch IPS touchscreen provides a smooth and responsive display, making it easy to navigate settings. With a 170 degrees wide-angle lens, this dash cam captures more of the road, ensuring better coverage. Stay connected on the go with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Access navigation, music, and calls seamlessly. The built-in GPS enhances navigation accuracy, while Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity add extra convenience. With night vision, G-sensor, and motion detection, this dash cam ensures safety day and night. The loop cycle recording feature automatically manages storage, keeping important footage secure. Number 3. Imagebon H50 Night Vision CarPlay Dash Cam. The Imagebon H50 11.3-inch dash cam, a cutting-edge device designed to enhance your driving experience. With a 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera, this dash cam provides clear, crisp video footage. The 3-channel recording captures everything around your vehicle for added security. Enjoy wireless CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless connectivity. With built-in GPS logging, the camera tracks your speed and location, providing valuable data during your drives. Thanks to superior night vision and the 24-hour parking monitor, your car stays protected even when you're away. ADAS features provide driving assistance, while the G-sensor ensures video recording during impacts. Number 2. Xgody 4K Car Dash Cam. The Xgody 4K 10.26-inch dash cam is a powerful addition to any car. Offering a high-definition 3840 by 2160 camera resolution, it ensures clear and crisp footage, whether you're recording the road ahead or backing up. Equipped with dual lenses, this dash cam captures both front and rear views, adding extra security to your drive. The 10.26-inch display is bright and clear, delivering all necessary information at a glance. With built-in GPS, Bluetooth, and wireless CarPlay and Android Auto support, it allows seamless connection to your devices for navigation, music, and more. Plus, the unit features a parking monitor for 24/7 surveillance, ensuring your car remains protected even when parked. With a G-sensor for impact detection, a loop cycle recording feature, and a wide 160-degree view angle, this dash cam provides reliable performance in all conditions. It's the perfect tool for anyone seeking added safety on the road. Number 1. Obdpeak K2 Pro Dash Cam. The Obdpeak K2 Pro 11.3-inch car DVR is an advanced dash cam designed for superior performance. Featuring a stunning 4K resolution, 3840 by 2160, it captures every detail with crystal-clear clarity, ensuring no moment is missed. The dual-lens system provides full front and rear coverage, while its wide 170-degree view angle ensures all sides of your vehicle are recorded. This dash cam supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless connectivity, offering easy access to GPS navigation and media control. Its 11.3-inch IPS touchscreen provides a clear, user-friendly interface. Plus, it includes innovative features like G-sensor, anti-vibration, and waterproof technology for reliable performance in all conditions. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can effortlessly manage settings, share footage, and update the system. Loop cycle recording, parking monitoring, and external GPS support add to its versatility, making it an excellent choice for drivers seeking a comprehensive vehicle surveillance solution.
There was